Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, AB Limited manufactures a picnic table which has three components X, Y, Z, one of each being required for each table. The company is working to its full machine capacity of 28,000 hours per period. And the machinery used is capable of making all components. The table are made in batch of 20 and the data relating to the current production are per batch of 20 we have the components X, Y, Z, right? Machine hour 6, 10, 12, variable cost 15, 18 and 18, fixed cost 6, 7, 13 and total 27, 35, 43. Assembly 32, 13 will gives 45 as total expense, and we have the total profit of rupees 23 and the total of rupees 173. Over the next budget period, the machine capacity cannot be increased, although the assembly capacity can be increased as required. The budget for the next period is being prepared because sales are buy and purchase of one of the component is being considered and the following quotation has been received. Batch 20 component XYZ 22, 28 and 32. The company has decided that only one component will be brought outside in any one period. The sales director thinks that he could sell at least 50% more table than at present and probability 75% more provided that the production capacity are available. Required. Number 1. Recommend which component should be bought outside if production is increased by 50% and how many components should be bought. Recommend which component should be bought outside if the production is increased by 75% and how many components should be bought. So going ahead with the solution, first of all we need to find the statement showing computation of which material should be bought from outside. So the computation of which material should be bought from outside, we have to check the opportunity cost per hour. For that I have taken three components X, Y and Z and a particular column. Variable cost will be 15, 18 and 18. Buying cost will be 22 and 28, then 32. The difference will be 7, 10, 20, 14. Okay. We have it is already given in the question of machine hour, which will be 6, 10 and 12. So when we divide the different, that is opportunity cost, with the machine hour, we will get the cost per hour as 1.16, 1 and 1.16. Since the buying cost per machine hour is less in case of Y, it should be bought from outside. None of the unit that may be bought from outside. Number of units, sorry, number of units which can be bought from outside. So for that also I have made a table containing 4 columns. Total hours 28,000 hours, which should be 28 and 22. That is, if X is bought, then 28 minus 6. 28 hours is the total hours per unit, but X is bought, then we need to deduct the machine hour of such product, that is minus 6 will give you 22. And if Y is bought, and then again if Z is purchased, then we have the hours you machine hours used for product Z shall be removed, that is 28 minus 12, which give you 16. Therefore the number of units which can be manufactured will be, when we 28,000 divided by 22 if X is purchased, and 28,000 divided by 18 if Y is purchased, and 28,000 divided by 16 if Z is purchased. Then we have 1222 units and 1555 units and 1750 units. So the changes will be 27 and 56 and 75 percentage. That is the total quantity which has been made at present divided by 1007 over here. When X is bought, then 1272 divided by 1000, and 1555 divided by 1000, and 1750 divided by 1000 will give you the percentage. After that, if the firm needs to manufacture more than 50 percentage, it's better to buy component Y. We have 55.55 hours extra hours, that is, here when we divide, we have if we divide 28,000 hours divided by 18, we will get 1555.55 hours. Over here we need only 1500 units, right? Yes, so we have an extra 55.55 units. So that excess units can be converted into hours and can be used for the manufacturing of Y. Therefore we have 18 hours into 55.55 hours which can be utilized for production of Y. Therefore when we multiply 18 into 55.55, we will get 1000 units. So 1000 units. Therefore 1 unit of Y needs 10 hours to manufacture. Therefore 1000 divided by 10 will give you 100 units. Total requirement of Y is 1500 units. So we have already made or manufactured 100 units. Therefore 1500 minus 100 will give you 1400 units. So 1400 units should be purchased from outside or externally. Going ahead with next requirement, if the firm needs to manufacture more than 75 percentage, it is better to buy component Z. Units purchased from outside will be is 1750 units. So guys, I hope you got clear clarification regarding this illustration. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.